First of all, I want to thank you guys for stopping into the channel and checking out this video. I want to talk about this piece here that is missing from a lot of your CFMOTO units. We have noticed that when we bought this unit brand new, it did not have the airbox lid seal, and we actually had to pull some teeth to get it. So shortly after that, I had posted a comment or a post asking you guys to check your units, and a lot of you said yours was missing too. This is not good, CFMOTO. This is an important part. This will allow water into the airbox if this is missing. We got to have these, guys, got to. So a lot of you said yours was missing and you're gonna reach out to your dealers. Some of you said your dealers got them right away, and some of you said your dealers didn't know anything about it. Now I want to say this. I got mine through Johnny K's, okay? And I called Johnny K. I explained him the situation, and he said, Redneck, he goes, I got a bunch of them coming. I'm gonna get you one out. Now I waited 3 weeks for this part, and then another 4 weeks went by and I didn't receive it in the mail like he said I would. So I called and they hung up on me. So I called another Johnny K's, explained them the situation, and they were super nice, and they said, yeah, actually it shows we have them in stock at that store you said, and we're gonna go and get you one right now, and we're gonna get it in the mail. Wouldn't you know it, 2 days later, I had it. So it's been a long journey. I'm not sure exactly the deal with that one Johnny K's. I don't care. All I care about is I got it. Now, if you're wondering the part number, because this is going to be for the 1000 and 1000 XL owners, doesn't matter the year, check it and make sure this rubber gasket, we're going to show you how to put it on and get it in. But the part number is 0JYA-111102-10000. The old part number is that same number except for just a -1 at the end. So that is going to be the old part number. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this installed and show you guys where it goes, how to get it in. Check it, because you don't want water to get into your air box. I can't believe, I don't know. I'm not thrilled. I'm not thrilled with this machine at all. Not that the machine is bad or anything like that. I'm just really not thrilled about quality control, or maybe it's not even CFMOTO. Maybe it's just the dealers, because honestly, the dealer should have maybe noticed this, I guess. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. It doesn't matter. So guys, you're gonna open up your dump box, then open up your lid. There we go. So guys, you're just gonna take it and you're gonna push it right down into your lid, just like so. It's gonna be a snug fit. You might have to stretch it a little bit, but it'll get in there, and just push it in, just like so. I did half of it off camera, just to make it go a little faster. You get the hint though. It goes in and looks great. So let's go get it on. So now we just slide it right down into those grooves. Put it on. Much tighter, snugger fit. Now we have a really nice seal around the air box. No gaps, no nothing like that. We don't have to worry about water getting inside it now. It's nice and sealed up. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I'm happy that I could bring it to your attention, because it's something that I noticed and didn't want to do a video on until I had the part in my hand and made sure that there actually was a part. And sure enough, there is a part, and you can get it from your local dealer. Now, my dealer did send it to me for free. They didn't charge me nothing, which is the right thing to do. I can understand if you already had your machine for a year or two, you might get a little grief about it. But if you show them my video, it might help you. I don't know. All right, guys, I want to thank you for stopping in and watching. I want to thank our Patreons and our channel members and everybody who participates with our videos and our Facebook page, R.N.G, and our group, CFMOTO U-Force Owners. It's got 16,000 members as of this video. Go on over to Facebook and check that out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.